don't come again. Make una watch Joe Baba TV. Yeah. Your blessing go fall. Ogi the back. Pontiasia. Bram.
Joba Abba, Joba Abba TV, Joba Abba, Joba Abba TV. Keep watching Joba Abba TV. All the entertainment force here.
Hey people, you watching Joba Abba TV. Keep it locked here.
Hello, I'm from Celestine Donko. Unko Swana Monshe Joba Abba TV.
This is your number one MC at Georgia, Joba Abba TV. I endorse it. Number one. Keep watching. This is MC Papalinka and you are watching Joba TV, the finest in North America. Big up, Joba. We love you. Doing a great job. Onulu.
So YouTube channel e ma Ghana nsem etimi ekọ nsem mu ekyeremu ne yedi a Joba Abba TV was so subscribe to your YouTube channel no na video bi e beba out bia no so betimi anya notification now so aba be join here ya boa ama bia akoso Joba Abba TV, the best in the whole of America.
Abusia for me din Edgar Frenuyama betima from G to the friend aha no ma Joba Abba TV alla Mr. CNN now about Bronx, New York. Now we bomb Mr. CNN there. We be wa hebia be ho. To say abrante we ana papa we. Wa ye adwuma kese paa wa ha se. What you say? Na ye ka photos ya we twa che. Oba je say ye beto no industry nim. Na na ye 50th birthday ni jubilee. Ana nyina do for ato nsa fra New York for wa ha yo. Chale ehemfo obi bia. Se wanti mama dia na wa yo ho. Aha no ma chise ya asa. Eti Joba Abba de ese wa woni tua ye de no ma papa ne bremo e de no ma e de ne bremo eni gie ne asua de ba me ka kire mesro oba subscribe to the channel Joba Abba, subscribe to the channel. I don't want to just click it. What click it and I video to say boom first person when you be. You better follow me on Instagram Joba Abba TV, Twitter Joba Abba TV, Facebook Joba Abba TV. Mesro na adofo so a amoso asoyase edamu nyina amase e de odo edamase sama soyase na dwumadi ante se ye de brem e wa America memo enti yenko inside ne nkofo ndi nkomo de nyamre company ne sie ne nankasa be de ebedi nkomo ne abusa ne se o putu sa dwumadi we together we enim so obebre pa yenko inside. As you already know, my name is Gafreniama. You can call me G to the Fred. Team Joba, keep the focus. Koso sede me sika kire mo no Joba Abba TV dey abade a ye de ani gie ne no ma se mo amu a Mr. CNN on the floor. Mr. CNN to a ujina ho de anya to keto a. Hey ma hu se kusi mensa capito ne Salimbo ene no me yo hono. Aha MC of Palen Garasi. Aha Kusi Meza. Hey Kusi. Merasi. MC of Mama Bichi Mama Sansa. Hey Chale Kusi Meza. Hey Capitola Stars when I Mr. CNN for one. That Mr. CNN who need dancing shows so go pay. Hey, Saliko Nabotre. Are Saliko Baba Rodo Juana. Saliko. Hey, where Saliko is still floor no matter Senagro. Hey, I was there for if you had more iron there. So we catch them more. Baby, they are there. Why you? Hey, Saliko run you. Hey, Saliko. That Saliko sorry na Saliko hit it too much. What hit it? Hey. They say say I'm entrepreneur. And I will be kind. I say entrepreneur will be on road. Hey, Mr. DJ, remember boy, I'm strong. Hey, Charlie. Aye. Adum FM. Kuma.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Oh, MC has it. Yada Bamba, I don't know. Yada Bamba. MC. Capito, find the floor. Yanko. Capito, Yanko. Capito, Fawano, Yanko. Hey, Capito, I'm trying to photo from. The guy there was through. I know, right? I was through. Kusi Janoma now. Kusi Marola Tadio. Ajay. Kusi na honorable. Salim Kusi Dranchen on your action. Aye. Hey. Salim Ko that. Salim Ko. Saluko Tesco, now Saluko, what not call about Bridget? What about the time of voice? That way, I saw someone using it. That anyway, David, number 10. I'm to valid number 10. I didn't know it's my. Who's the best podcast? I'm just on what it is. What's America? I didn't know how I pray. Sir, I will be on a camera. What's from my Famano. Salim goes on because I know we changing no. Or the moon changing no man, not the DJ no one. Oh, I see.
DJ, thank you, DJ. It's time for the celebrant to cut his cake, ladies and gentlemen. Mr. CNN, Ms. Yao, One Oyere, and our cake.
DJ, Mr. Full of Mr. Live for Mr. Ramon. Them Chairman, Mama, and San Kamadama. The cats can't be a moment.
Na menya me sofo kese I will Bronx, New York. Remember no ankasa there I introduce you. Sofo mba jona bom tse.
Nyame adumo na mo so e.
Bibi aboko. Na ene odi odo abekire CNN. E de be mpa na abeka kire no. Aye ewunua na oba. Wodi 50 de na abeka kire no.
Nyame ensure no pa minnim no long time me back chroma for or you one of the youngest men and be share womo as a matter of fact start here sorry cry no ba na chere this media way edudum no and then he relocated to I think Pennsylvania ni nyina na menunu di ensawsoa na ware mu ibebia mu enti oye nipa me penasempa
nipa openasem wo kase wo say oyo bia obehia no wa ha no mo see just say asori kwa no ba no yes ano mani nyina na ye kase kan bibi kakra abasie na de be mpa na abeka fa no
enfa oye nipa pa ne yam ye oya adoye nanim ti nhunu se wa murada tem bia no smiling bibi obabi san so onyama obi ha no obeya ma wo media chese me bo wakra no obi sam se pastor de na uhia se me nyama wo enti oye nipa
na so for so na wa sorry ewo so betimi da to adofo ani mo na so mo show se bia obi obu so betimi pa so be pass by na obe sra mo
sure me so for Ebenezer Assembly of God Ghana for the but other nationalities wom me to me akase asori enije ni ahumka wom pa timi tun safre obia opa asori akọ se omra me join no ne ensum ne anya busua ba akọ ya sorry no 181st Jerome Avenue corner no so wa do 181st ni Jerome no asori no be pono so wa
pono so na wadofobia be se achi o ma na say
oh, Michiachia, Asofo, Wokroma, as Assemblies of God, for Asofo, independent churches, Yaminishlo Biane Jumapa, Omuye Chakra, at the Mera, they will crude. A brother from another mother. I was saying, I'm a large young Casa would it. I'm right here, we was a towel, dinner, the alcohol, we see a bone for life, and I be able to we try to Sweden as well. Also, try to
we do it you. You say free.
Why the
Nyaminti
scan the ni bi banyame hrae
na se wonim CNN ana se wo hu de wi CNN dwumadi a waye e wo Bronx New York anum de na be ka kiro nua be man ne
no kronyam yenim say your America and your fraternity be an entertainment fraternity for Ghanaian community. He's one of the pioneers for Ghanaian entertainment community of America. Untiming kasa oti America how you are into entertainment na CNN di ube from regardless said you tie bia eto ye penya se be ye aba nkwala no ye sha na namo to me say he's like a mentor, he's like a daddy to me. Etimi sha na namo to no. Last week, sometimes the chairman, my boss, I need to see you there. He's not just anybody. Yeah, sorry, he is a man we need to honor. It's any birthday that we have to come in Grandstand to come and support a senior man like him.
Now, many workers American can say you can't SMD a yak. No be etiana. I friends and I know when somebody see Facebook now. And then you can find it down in Shatawale.
Okay, Shatawale. My first time I had a encounter with Shatawale was 2011 when I had a show of being near there with Homies Entertainment near the Naminium. So that was the first time any encounter. By man 4,000 Ghana cedis there were show no. Teninya hula balloon back and forth. But me Ben no. Namu said the guys' knowledge for entertainment they are high near there because we back. I'm one correct package, no aside the WhatsApp. So he's somebody who is kind of like white a little bit. Tinami also Tinami di Rasku Kwechi. To get to with Rasku Kuni Tawala near the Akuma village and my music entertainment and my Ben Kakra and I knew that the guy mean well for the entertainment industry. Perhaps said an instant cavity and Ujina won't see but said the make and Casa in society because Sabi Capini create you out say, be Chelsea, we are beer. So at Yasia, Asantini Casa, so nobody will tell me, Sabin Crenusu Casa, so at Yasia, he has that kind of character. But sometimes we should put the messenger aside, listen to the message, dilute the message, and dissect the message. You won't say the person or cast him, you're forgetting the image or the cast, if you are shout somebody, then you are there. One house near, perhaps the image talks. But let's talk about the message. It means I am in Tiasia committee radio, so we are paying me director. No word, near the air, maybe director critical say, Tobo. So like we have to talk certain things. Put the message aside. Let's talk about the message near there. So me following him, is not basically about and you kind of me. But when you get close to him, the kind of intellectual like Ekita Akwano, it's kind of like it's deep.
What of phobia person Chioma as
the kind of phobia the message will be BOT Path Ready. They say we new show and they buy the car radio and they find street talk and on here gentility. Me see any gentility. Once in an army, no. You buy a kind of say that
firebone
and on Tiasia out to be do radio no or Fontias and but I can't say the street because I think say there are certain messages that the streets need to we talk about. So be share them in some I can't but you better radio so I want to polish it and nice. Let's talk how it's supposed to be said. So the street talk is for, especially for the youth. My target is the youth. Near the minimum say penny form. You have people that you target near the but this time around I'm sorry for them penny form being near I'm targeting the youth. But me chill be I'm CEO, the Crowd Radio CEO, DJ Gem. He put me on me OG programs manager. Me director soon ejina hui. Me director ejina hui. Oba radio is near there. Me chair also near there. Na me share wife da. And then I dey be my bumpire say Jeffrey for wife chair me. Jeffrey for wife chair me. Near there watch it. Yeah,
the wife for India. But the wife veteran. So the wife for
my wife charming.
So
I did here.
Nobody actually.
It's 10 year term as well. I like the dream. You didn't go to now from can forget it. THO BBR America had the said the no. But when TVB also the Crowd Radio, #1 radio station in New York, #1 radio station in America. Also Jeffrey every Sundays. They are chilling here. They are know about Path Radio. Konoko tie futo ne me hode brane en kanehye
so the music catch on subscribe to the channel Joba TV Mr. subscribe na wasia no click so adoma na wo no sa found sa boss anafa o mouse pointer ne boss ye di video 200 man wa dey no anya bi menya abai wa fefefe bi wa ha no mo na na me ne ba betwetwu aba na bom to say
nyame adom me ho ye na we
yakopona do wan kasa bodi kire ahwefo
Midin de Mame Sewasa for J. You wait me from me NHQ.
NHQ. Now, Mr. CNN, Sana was in the middle.
Oh, I know him as a very popular, great man. Bronx, New York, USA, Harlem Crump. I know him for SAR 3G Awards,
basically the minim fan ho na se nkofo so kan ho sempa bebre say he's a really great guy to be with, great man to be with. He's 50 today and see we're all here to support.
Okay. And when now we are na and then the 50th birthday a ding gonna share some na be catch CNN.
Make a trend say Uncle Soanya dia all year like all try bring Ghanaians together all year near ma Uncle Fonya bida usmuso war entertainment ne Ghana for Unkabom at heart inti we're praying me bonfire na me sanction in Christ say Uncle Soanya sana erade mano more and more years ahead no man a journey I can see be bring ka no for organizing near ma be bring so minor Bibiango so come on
Special Chiawanga so wonderful.
Oh, mechia madofu nyina mechia mebusiafo ewo Ghana my parents ewo Ghana mebusiafo ewo US mechia me wo fa Uncle Beneje Iboache mechia obia mechia Joba TV for so I see say you guys are doing a great job. It's big ups.
Mankasa mo menya the general ankasa agina menche senior na pome boko na bo so na me na dom we dey make us bodi chira hefo ana se bibisa hefo e hold yemu nim but mo nim no so udi ne de say
me di councilor Lutrot
councilor na say na usi ni Mr. CNN
o dey di kan fa se da kase e bold e ma nyankopon wo so twedi ampo nyankopon e da ya hihye na wo ma na bem dey di kan na dey to so bi no so say adofo a epie mu no ama me entiase afufuru be ma be hu se nyankopon yo do pa na nipa energy de why no many aje se nkrofo aba many aje pa ama
na ene aye wadamfo unua ni 50th birthday e dey nkrahye ensam na wo ka kire
de di kan me de aseda ka se ma nyankopon de to so mienu nkrahye asema me de ma se ne se nyame na one ne atwa ma be du 50 no saa nyame ne be ko saa kosi awie pepepe akosi onhwe saa nyame ne so na ene ye di ni 50 ni 100 nso ye nyina be ba na jese onu nyini ezu enyi adi na chi ntene na me ka che ne
wale na wo ka che na wo adofo bi apese o che
omo me chi a woni me chi aboafo nyina enkanka omo mo boa ye foundation for diabetes and asthma enye Ghana for pe obi a wo bibia no ye boa mo nti me chi omo nyina se ore fi se obeboa kai se 0 na mane da ho 862-571-3950 Zilla account number wo dey fa ka kitu bia nso ne mfa mboa ye ho omo manya asthma anya diabetes ne ye boa won na ya kire won ko mbefa so age won kwa through natural methods.
Okay, now what can we a friend say we fundraiser na say foundation a we be yanka kwasem kakra what can me so diabetes for na dey boa America for na say for na Ghana for kwa na boa
the di kan ye boa Ghana for in any country say America or say Ghana once you are Ghanaian this particular foundation has a right to support you. So it's not just for Ghanaians, but it's for Ghanaians in America, Ghanaians in the UK, Ghanaians in France. Once you are a Ghanaian, you are entitled to enter into the foundation for any support. Because the WHO say health is total well-being. And the only pabwa, the only atadia, the intimate any fees. Ya prison baby. And obiamboa ne mboa bi o de ketua bi betime aboa ye ama ya akọ eni nti o de boa ne enko ye na no akakade ye ka
so what here o say yamboa ne ye de enko eni mu besa ma councilor say the number na to no very important part but so number no
862-571-3950 862-571-3950 boy Zilla account kakra bi adbetum bia no de be dia to ya mi hira
oba mo na pome
boko
Mr. Wabudi chira do
your friend is Cynthia Chawe
Zawoti ahofani tware no kente no so de kente de ayira metobi
mate enya hwe na to bi ablewo
wa metobi ablewo mate na CNN aba ye unia bema na wodi ni 50th birthday e de na be ka chire unia bema
nyame hira na Mr. Edeman Sansa oye odofo and very enthusiastic and very involving in the community and that's how I admire him to yeba ebe supporting no na erade nhira ne mpaibo nyini cha epomudie ewo mu but he's very funny
Who adofo bi abesa wo chi omo na azese
Yo, any other for him, Michia Miami Kuno, I, Joe Chawe, any Mebusia Fonyana, Mema Prince, Ivana, and Iliana, and a Masolema, Ghana Wesley United Methodist Church, Brooklyn. Michia Farak away Fonyana, and the Bronze.
Bema, Rapume.
Nyankopa de Mihoya Pana was a mini aquaman.
Biabo Korea was here, Nyankopon and of now, so, hey, bra.
Send me an elder.
I order Roman.
I saw na me than a dorsum.
Governor Roman, we hear down.
There be Roman, no, they're a catechist. But our Pentecostal churches now, me elder.
Mr. Wabo, one has a body child of
Medina VJ with my friend Vincent Jerry, sorry, but I don't know from me OG.
OG, now, Yansha and Mr. CNN 50th birthday, a day now catch on.
Mr. CNN is one of the proud Africans, Ghanaians. Me feel say a honor in this community. Mane Yobia, he's selfless, and like Oyobisua, he has a spirit of willingness. So I bet Buankro for any idea no. So now when you're 50 years now celebrating a birthday, the ministry Emmanuel and Quatinte, and in Yankopon Hodi, Nyansan and Adam, and Isika. So the Baya, because we know between the Abu Afu Frost so. Yamin Shana, big ups to you, senior my. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Who are the four be abesochiomo?
Yeah, I don't for them. I mean, because I'm here listening, I mega. It's the men that make chow be at the ocean, the Uti, the all town, the all just the all fat, the all copy. The all no crop about downloading in our man. A big shout out to you. So now, in fact, as that can say, the Nkoma Juba, J to the O to the B to the A. Now, the way at this time, more boy, you must go in our Bakumasino. This time, is how there are more and I say, if you ask a snake, I cry watching, I'm so Champion, I don't know. But I'm more than the international level, I'm more than from a gentle. So, and one, I mean, Shramo, more boy, Juma selling the United States to the world. A come Mama Ghana for so uncle for a tea and can't go for who you and this idea. No, Nebeka Swash said, Mamma may be undiscouraged. Meaning, say, very hectic, yet never ever be discouraged. But I'm going to push the agenda forward. Joe Badi, meaning, say, authentic, the super, the mega, the duper. Shout out to you.
But before we subscribe to the channel, Joba TV, subscribe. What do you have an album to say?
I
love your African print.
I mean, I say, if you know clothing, so I say, it's our clothing line.
Oh, sir?
Yeah.
Clothing line, it is.
No, clothing, NOY. Yeah.
Wow, one can stand
sure. It will come out here. Working so home here, Juma.
Wow. Now, Mr. CNN, send a one casa who's in the middle.
Mr. CNN, brother, wants a bar. And only idea about Quackasa, me fan describe who be a medical idea kind of wants him. Me who no afar. Nami share them, man, no. Nami can be bedu Chrome Hakrano. Or say, you know, as in Pempen, so I would do a Chrome Hakrana. On one of our phone framing. Nana, Matissa Waba. She said, you'll see, yeah, and I'm at a 10 and some back with me and Nubi. Nami Pincher and so who say, oh, you're a good person. Or Brandon Wassy.
Or Brandon Wassy. Then I'm going to the 50th birthday. Wow, shot. At the fire, free and chilling in I'm back. I'm a one of me at your door. And dear grandson, as some another country. I
never come back and say, we are saying, it is so bidoka. Umunaji, I had a man, what's the regular at the mouth. Me feel some make a Brasia, semi, Brasia, anything to you. And I'm a dumb baby way in a cashier, our hand because of no 80. It may cost what catching Mr. CNN and say, I'm Tom Cosano, on Kutana, Brasia, Pomanemu, Memanin Jemu, and we are saying, I don't mean the Osonta Crache. No matter what you would do, when you'll be a Manaka and once them. Now, the other audition with him, they say, I was asking so young what town. And will be from one as soon as I wear Yanua or send a home. It's one shiny holiday, now all who say, a bit to me about so I come for the and so not for I also send that out.
Now, over business, I can't tell you. And someone has to wait. Just what's the program? Now, how is with the free?
No custom, I don't. Many of the Webby another. Many of the Caribbean another. Even maybe my Macrano. One who know the other, I don't know the association or the cast of Babbage tree. There's so many bomb who so not a chia. Until I don't want a free trade young and all the other. I
don't want the free trade for my area. See, I don't want
me catch him at the funeral and say, when you go on show. I near back on the say, me listeners, me viewers, and near more yana, a put my training in TS. How much lower dog, and my say, Obishamia, as soon as I know more than a dictionary, and so many pa, and a young couple soon shra, Obibia or supporting me ministry, Obia upon the control journey or kind one pie won't be a one young couple in show. As some back on the person me can actually me listeners in an say, if we are seeing the idea where you would know, men for you.
Push them in some book, Swan. Moanga sama who you are fair. Sister, we were 20 miles. Hey, I told you, I said, I was here good about him and a woman.
Yamia don't book.
Often in Jerusi.
And then Yamias.
What yet? One gas a boat in a chair at the fresh.
But your friend is Celestine Donko.
Celestine Donko. Now, Celestine, say no, Mr. CNN.
Who's that?
Say no, Mr. CNN.
CNN, I'm saying my first time I'm about US, that was last year. And the musician, my first time about a minimum for my brain, you know. Now me pen perform be boy me a link me with programs near there. In fact, boy me be boy. Or very open. Oceani near the young Ghana ni. Send your open up on fahon like suonimo. And we be obiano on the boy me man fat na esweni. Entino and then the birthday. And Michelle Pine Bush, Middletown Pine Bush, no 2 hours from here. But it's or door no done it in Chino, not just a yenso, it was a better energy. Tia by a neighbor celebrating a life 50 years. Yame insha no yanaka say. Na on fanning more than this on double the age. Na on some fan cry enter hodum. Aye. We didn't come about because can crash as a made a gunusu. Now what can gunusu we? Tia one casa wado for a me jam do for him in Yamisha for loving Celestine Donko music. Ebiana unim Celestine Donko kwa. Celestine Donko me boa di chemu nsem minimum go as supernatural. Okronko hene. My recent song I released Agbebolo, meaning the bread of life. Then you know sign up to my YouTube channel. I subscribe to YouTube channel. Obenya my videos na.
Also benya video by audio by acapella back we dance. Acapella back.
Okay. Oh grandma will fata. Oh grandma will fata. Oh grandma will fata. Oh fata. I
wish I can sing like her. Babe, but you walk us about Nito.
My name is Vivian Acho.
Vivian Acho, popularly known in Ghanaian movie.
Yeah.
How did you know CNN?
Well, I met CNN about 6 years ago when I came. The first time I came to the US, I met him, and ever since it's been one business or the other, and so he's a nice guy.
Okay, he's a nice guy. Today being his 50th birthday,
yeah.
What are the words of encouragement are you going to tell your brother?
Oh, my wish for him that the Lord will strengthen him. He will live to fulfill his destiny on earth, and he'll also be a blessing to his generations to come.
Wow. Do you have any shout out to your family or friends out there?
Oh yeah, I want a shout out to my mother in Ghana, Vicentia Kwame, my 2 men, my children, Kelly, Indubisi Acho, Melvin, Nduka Acho, and Efia Kori. I wish them all the best, and I pray that very soon we'll meet again in Ghana.
Very soon we will meet again in Ghana. Let me ask you this last question. Is there any production going on here in the States?
Yes. Next month we are going to start shooting Akwentuo Musam.
Akwentuo Musam, directed by who?
I know the producer is PK. So we are putting things together, and very soon we'll come out with it. And Salinko is here already for the shoot.
Bema na pome.
Boko.
Na dene goso.
Bibia boko.
That's all by as I know your color toss ye pa
Boko.
Bibia day.
Bibia boko.
Now, Oba, Mr. CNN program me. Wow, shy, it was a
Achisa. CNN in 50 years, you know, I wanted in a rough.
Dinner rough. Now, Mammy Musa, send a who's in Mr. CNN.
America for Yamin Shramo, first of all, more outfit. Montadia, more shed by Yamin Shramo. Mobile time, I had to so I'm mobile 1 o'clock on my chain to Mapa. Echo Barno Pa, Bear for Maba, Yamin Shramo Pa. Now, Jumedia Mahune say, very big and nice. And once as Salinko means me, woman may support and not just a tough time.
Now, I didn't have a catch Mr. CNN and then 50th birthday.
Mr. CNN in the 50th birthday, no. Me wishing a long life, prosperity, long marriage, fruitfulness in his all this thing and in a generation, and you're very fruitful. Yeah.
Salinko, last one. Oba America. What you may be a doing this one about and as a production people because I had a man.
Nice one. Yamin Shrapa, Godfrey. Abba TV, right? Yoba Abba TV. Joba Abba TV. Joba. You are watching Joba Abba TV. Ninjana say, yeah, big production in a PK. And yeah, say, yeah, she say, Joba Abba TV, so a organization, no. See, bet me shoot to Boys Abre. We have Salinko TV, I was series, go a friend of Boys Abre. Say, you know, UTV, a big platform, I work Ghana. And I say, yeah, selections, no waha. And two Fred PK and a Joba Abba TV by Godfrey. Obemo who details say, Yamwa boy, on Nayan shoot to be our talent and count talent in Shedda. More fire.
Now we okay. I shooting. I want me the date to be out to and I say audition be about cost one and be
audition on the 6th of June. Yeah, 6th of June. You did your Ohio audition. What person participate in New Jersey and New York? Hello, Daddy. But you be able to.
Salunko Onyobia.
Okay, Daddy. Okay. Audition course on the 6th of Ohio. And found say when you need Uswa and now ya branch and now one for when you fair. And I wouldn't my dear. We Obia or Mobi. Who New York were Fred Papa way. Also, possess Salinko acting no. Nice one. Possess Salinko movie now or channel America no participating. Freno. Na yan power fast aqua so. Within 3 weeks, no about TV, so no abusian for fro. Ebi abet ma hate through that. O hate so about biawu. Mi jina ha wu me nye school, nye Legon, enye Tech, enye Oxford, enye AMA, enye KMA. I am a talent na dem drew ha on so hu me. Kan for abana on so brabi.
Chair of form show.
America, Ghana, China, Dubai, Germany, Italy, France, Spain, Togo, Milan, Addis Ababa.
Mr. So share subscribe to the channel Joba TV. Na manyame nua bema bi wo ha. Memo no akasa abonidi a kire mo. Bema na pome
wako menia. Me feel usa to the extent say me hwe we interviews ne ade a wo bodwuma. Nyame hira wo. And I will so o te Ghana for anim o te journalism anim and o te nyama a chese Ghana for mo a practice journalism no to mo anim me hye unkran se koso ana yesa ade no e be bo ama Ghana so yetuma akwa anim pa me dey kusi mensa capital with my friend Anafo with me aframe me sports general with my friend Bibia me ameni
na before you be call Mr. CNN say ha unim no abrantie bi e wo YouTube ya hu say tokwa bi a ore na e ko YouTube no me ni din kra na me ntimi mbodi no
yeah
obi say ase mashada obi say ani bre ma me mbusam na ahwefo e ho nti ase sa ntokwa na yampa na ase
yes real because me nuaba e na oware no na o say akonta bi a owa ye expect say akonta de ubebu akonta eye ni nuaba e na waware no but onfa buo ma me first of all and first of all sign ba be ware ni nuaba no or sign the empty envelope and a brayer, which doesn't even make sense. Obi worry obi nuaba now the empty envelope. Say I contact second year and ye. Actually, me who saw a corrupt or the man for sika. No, I video a tia or more any idea. And I'm exposing no, me exposing no. And I just send the buffet and no so over say me. To call a man for honor or say or go to his come so I'm say me which I don't think say real. But on no moment there, me men in Tokano. Ejinamu den me gusu a me ne ekun me kire ne se me so me heavy na my expose no mama obi an so corrupt oni hwe a o kan o wiase bio gi se obekwa akotu amanfo bribe na o de abese me expose bebre amaya ma kire se o tu bribe amanfo mo se me but no ho asem ba kire
na expose na okay last time we video bi am ono so de to so ono so expose you so corrupt go for or Ghana jijom sika se ba visa mo no eno kra na say
yeah visa ndie me yes me jam amanfo but omo tua fees no first fees no but intercontinental fee ni de omo antua enti continental fee no wan tua e na difficult so metimi ama onya visa no enti no like me chechire mu chire amanfo say omuntia continental fee there's no way I wait to attract Africa akwa another continent me chire ni nyina mu chire but omo pese omo chire say omo matua ska amamenti no e also me de omo kwa abrochi it's not possible it doesn't work like that so what I say nti no sana akwa but yes ma je omo sika edi omo antua sika ni nyina anwie omo tua kakra but omo tua full amount when tua full amount you forfeit the what you no na fe de aka ni nyina so ayoka
ni nyina so ayoka na entokwai say na mo be ko amana kwa akodu na waware unua ben untwa so
me be say o change na adwen na osesa na osakra free na corruption no ho onja amanfo sika ogige no a o say wo mo e YouTube ene Facebook no onyai ojaye a meso mejai so wanyaye a meto aso ase na akire amanfo say onye obia a o say nipadi Magraheb mutie muhwe obia e friend upon K Francis a o Magraheb e Facebook ene YouTuber oye corrupt or say anybody on your beer or some genidi. Mun forget no on your beer.
Osimo forgetting Yambra to Jumedia AD our Bronx, New York. Saying I will see him Mr. CNN.
One of them if I can say the media gurus our America Mr. CNN started media na ye mumbi bikra na ye nim radio and I think say me wa Ghana crampo na meti Mr. CNN in Kawa America and him all year helping the Ghana embassy or boa Ghana for ewo ekrum ha or mani ma ewo Ghana ha epia bonten journalism no also from Ghana web time our Troy some of us read from Mr. CNN a niema or Trono any hu niema yakoso America ha ne ade you know CNN has been a very a great guy me I'm following him for a very long time he has been a great friend or nipa ho or expect to say obi abedi ye e wo baby obi which is a very good trait for somebody like him. You know that is how come I knew Mr. CNN way back from Ghana, and when I came to America he has been a very good friend. Otufo or che say obi as wanamono say otuni say ekwe say na we say na be boa ni nyina otumi ye eboa. CNN has been a very great guy. You know so or did 50th birthday there's no way say me to me atena Virginia and I say baby say member CNN birthday party or say me banam so me be share nemonyam e wo ne 50th birthday anniversary no
be share nemonyam e wo ne 50th birthday chia wadofo ene ahwefo o ye do bosho
me chia Ghana fo nyina ne the fans of Kusimensa Capital CM for life obia oti Adom FM multimedia fans nyina be chia mo nyina na ye do mo nyina so mo etayechi eboaye ema ye babedum pempen so ayedri ye nyaaye ye guso eboa se de be media adwuma no e be san tumpon e wa America achichu eniti a most of the time me hwe other guys mo try to pursue the journalism and any media a job no e wa America ha just so bia me ehua say me bia me ne be frɛ no me director no ne ade no me so me contribution me media boa no I'm trying to do that and I'm contributing more so High Life Radio on Fridays every Friday night bia no me call ekwakoye adwuma say be amanfo so be tine ma ekoso on the social media and you know big ups to obi a otie a ohweye ewo enei ewo YouTube ne ade nyina no yeda mu nyina aseso se mun koso ana mun just subscribe to this channel and then mun hwe channel no every time bia minim no we obi a oye me am kasa me endorse no na me kire say Ghana for bososo from ani ento no so obetimi pija Ghana akodum bepe so bia e wo se ekokodru niema oye no ode niema ehuntaye e wo Ghana no na efri amanone abreye I'm a boy, so big ups to you.
But that's if I be boss. I mean, she's on here. Tim Joba, yes, keep the focus. Mr. Subscribe to the channel. Now, me big boss back. I was say, me big boss. Yeah, I'm more shy. Just a sponsor kakraka. I was say. Remember on one kasada day. Abonidi. Boss na pome.
Opomo go na so eh.
Na go ponado. Boss why what she camera any paro mu hu ye. Me patcho body kire ahwefo.
Every me kwesi chima mpofo.
KTA mo ba na ma hu no. KTA mo ba na kasada oni one our sponsor from the scratch to this time. Wow, KTA mo ba no one kasada any. Na mami busa KTA. Te send o sinim CNN. Send one kasa o sinim CNN.
CNN dey say ye nyina ye boss no. CNN dey ye nyina ye boss no o sha dey na say na je say ye nya ya dwenkra say ye ba be bibi say. But we are sitting here. So who did 50 ya? Na just say ready extra. It so ye ni party. That's a semeba. Me ba no ma ba support no.
O ba no ba support no. Na and na ye 50th birthday. And then some na be kan chira wan kasa unu abema.
Oh say CNN nkasa oye penny na need that form onim ni oye. On e mecha because so ti me di 50 ya. Wo hwe amamfo a na nsen eye young guys a omu age a omu di wu na. Na so ti me di 50 na just watch ohun so ye. Enti oyo bi a oye very very level-headed man. On e mecha no. Oye ni o ma ye enti ni woti me di 50 no. Enti obenyi ache.
Obenyiri ada achapa na o adofo bia be so e de wo chi omo
awo adofo mi pesa mi sha omo ye be your friend is investors pesa mi dam investors nyina mi da omo nyina ase enemy team the team behind me mi da omo nyina amase ana the customers I thank you very very much anyamo a enye KTA eti yadamase mo koso na mo support yen sa yes you be more money here creative value you be creative value for you
KTA or say keeping technology what affordable.
Keeping technology affordable.
Subscribe to the channel Joba Aba TV. Subscribe. Now someone with him you can't area see na Ghana there movie industry no where they would do work with pa me won one side abodi dia cho boss na pome
Bako na so
na me na dum na me ba cho one kasa wodi de say
me di me from Bernard
Edusipoku now mami we say how do you know Mr. CNN say na we see him no
okay CNN will company be a friend of 3G Media on an CEO and I'm a vice chairman of 3G Media. It tells you how close I am to CNN.
Okay, so we are very close to Mr. CNN. Mr. CNN, how are you going to describe him?
Oh, Mr. CNN, we won't have enough time to talk about it. But in simple form, he's somebody who has dedicated himself towards raising the flag of Ghana. He is somebody who is always championing something really good in the Ghanaian community. And Oyobia just said you cannot do anything within the Ghanaian community without, talking about CNN. Like what wants to say, he wants to do something for the community and then he's doing it.
Okay, now I know what is the 50th birthday.
I wish him 50. I wish him another 50 plus birthdays. I wish him many more birthdays. Meaning say, Nyankopon ebemana awarding no money nyansa. Then he keeps going.
He keep going. What was your for you?
Oh, I'm on dos. Make sure be
subscribe to the channel Joba TV. Click it. Subscribe. Manya me anka sabe nua bema awa se bema no anka side dey abonedi. Bema na pome. Boko. Wa anka sabodi tire ahefo.
Your friend Collins in Cancer.
Mr. Collins. Na say na wo sini Mr. CNN.
Mr. CNN there. Mr. American will be any Obi Bia himself or you'll be a media guy.
And then you share the 50th birthday. It was saying I never support you. Never support you. I didn't crash some now catch them as a sin and the 50th birthday. I'm going to come and say 50 years. So when I'm a man 80 years, I can't 30 years. The American say, your bumpire, as I said, Bibi then I'll come to Biano when you're a man no man and factor. And one of it, and one of it's Macawadophobia, but so chiomo. But the Chakas are come out. G to the Fred. Oh, you do about I'm a boss. Because about KTA, what I say, keep the technology affordable. And I'm starting chance, I'm a Miami home. Collins and Gansan. And I'm a catcher here for say, Joba Abba. I feel no mamba. And I saw a hand of my Nigerian air custom. Now, me catch us there. Subscribe to the channel, Joba Abba TV. Mr. Subscribe, but button. Now, me not big boss. You are hand of me. What fun of hotel? Boss, na po me. Na me no madoro. Bibiamo. O dress and so dia. We see to the eh come up. Yeah, that was. Na me patcha wudi. I say. I am from Dr. Ike from Pomanso. From Pomanso. Oh, New York. Carmanaso outside New York. Oh, New York. Yeah, no Brooklyn. Brooklyn. Now, saying I was seeing him, Mr. CNN. Oh, meaning CNN over 26 years. Then you're a pioneer in Korea. You know, massive war. Mimi free bantama. And I've been in CNN. Come on, I am now, you see, I know you'll be a. The baby about to suffer in the over. I know you'll be so brand new ones who don't nip. It is any was here who anybody bring away any other way. It's rare at the year woman for Intina Yajna so. Yes, you do a double boat. You have been Jamuniano. You are in 50 years. Now, I did 50 years. Why are you only in for a very long time? In Crash, some men are back at I bet I was 50. Oh, yes, stranger, Mr. Ochedian for man and patenting. No man, I want day. The BB Bureau, you be answer no, and young for so man. Send your day media no, a poor amount for spread a lot of message about goodwill. Any normal be no. They say they want to be to sample and continue. Na Enyisra Emma, any animal welcome to any more Ghana because Mr. CNN, you can or you'll be a Sebi, or your Buafo. Or your Buafo, now I the 4 person in the Uchiomo. Oh, go at the 4 bro, Kumasi Bantama. Mr. Number from me, Mr. Norway. And then my better America, I am a doctor, right? And if we want to go back and give back to the country, we give back to our community. And yes, you have a boy minor. Yes, I bet you I do approach about degrees near the end of the year. And you'll be also said what to coin. I will be one to baby say no. Mummy and Fanko to us okay. Now, the bit my Ghana to Mono. CNN, and they are don't form a be brave. And I'm coming and say, baby, the boy of mine. And you will not for a beside a dome and a diabetia. If you say, a bunny say, I have a very beautiful lady over here. How are you doing?
Very good.
What is your name?
Joanna.
How do you see the program today?
It's fantastic.
And what are you going to tell Mr. CNN for his 50th birthday today?
I wish him lots of money, happiness. Well, he'll be always healthy, always happy, and live a great life.
I love the first one. A lot of money. Everybody wants money. Do you have any shout out to your friends or family out there?
Shout out to my brother who is in Thailand right now with his girlfriend. So if he sees this, hi Michael, what's up?
Boss, na pome. Ya me adom na so e. Na me na dom. Na obetima bodi atra ahwefo. O me dia kasa de kwaku oredu sapo a Georgia. A Georgia ba ko pe. The whole New York and I say USA. Ope, one of the best MCA offering Obaba ya Amo. Boss, na sana usini Mr. CNN. Okay, CNN in the back home 2011. And make my casa and offer baby and bisa at Georgia. The success, you know, CNN is part of it. Means make us say or you one or the number 2 person or my boy Emma Georgia. I'm for who me. The beginning event we brought me co-host here through CNN. and Papa Lincoln. But the people introduced me to the system, was Philip Man. After that, CNN event to be CNN, and he's like a brother. He's like a brother to me. So this evening, I'm so happy to be here, and I'm so happy to be part of this history.
Okay, Nana, I am the 50th birthday. And dear in Cransha, as some now catch the one who remember.
Dedicano, Mr. Yakupon Shamano. Now on Yakupamana Hode. Now I want to mean Yahode and Transit. If you are calling him, now on one Abusia, and you on one Casa, not to be faster than Yakupon. And what to tell you on Tiano, our drop, or Tilan with Chenipa. Now on sign a brand of one Sima Unipabiano, Uncle Swanonisa, now Yakupon Subishano.
Kakra bet makano na obetimi achia ahwefo ana se wadofo mu nyina
yo celebrate obi bia wo share Joe Baba TV chakese and I'm from Mr. CNN 50th birthday I say me mama by Chamak me mama by Chamak me mama ba ko peno no oni na juma e phone nyina Kaneshi first light okay by Chamak da obi anim ho and all my colleagues Oman FM Kensington Media Jonas Asabia Kwekuma Burundi all the guys of Kensington Media I'm still part of the family. We are here also to represent the same family, so we are on the same course. Ghana for enough for you now, me mama, Abusia for you na kamikasa me papa, represent Papa Primo. All the family out there, and if you was a show New York for, Oma me baha, so me mo, and Ubomedia Georgia. No be enemy, and I'm a holiday, Munina Mokaho, and then you push why you're going to
Abusia for someone money to be at the Garfreniama, Obetima from a G to the friend. Subscribe to the channel. Menya Mensabon Nifa, Mesofa Mame, and in the Kuno. Mensa Bonkum so there's someone money to Nana Obiaba. Now I mean the kind with Sofa Papa, Nidi, Sofa Pacho, now did say.
A pacho, your friend, Reverend Resford, or say Owusu.
Okay, so we are on board now here at the phone. Now, okay, what's your name? But when you say
Adonai Resurrection Ministry. And
okay, my minister of my but also didn't say.
Me pacho, me did the Reverend Mrs. Lillian Oseus.
Okay, now I saw no pacho a hand
Me pacho, I saw no 1137 Prospect Avenue, a year Bronx Abontenso, between 167 and Prospect.
The man who said program be a Baba. June 30th. I know bring a boy at that one. Nana, and then I will catch her what for about this program.
Me catch him here for say Nyankopon ya adoma on the 30th no. Mema obi anyene ho mfiri mu. Omomra emfe emayemfa odo emo odom. Na dan Nyankopon be ye nyame ama nipa aye nipa. Woni bibi enipa bebre nim na obri ye bo a efa de ba akomienu bi ho. Na dan no mo be hu de wona na obri ye bo amu pa. Sofo panyi wo ho, sofo maame nso so wo ho. Awurade be hye ne ho animonyam wo ho. Na wabrabo nye sede atie bi eboda. Eda no obi biara odo na obri ye bo abia na odo Nyankopon bia no. Oni Nyankopon be bo mpu ni mpu e wo ho no mo.
So what our honor, so our share a year June 30th. Program me that should be Obabi Honomo. You better represent live. And my Mimbusa Sofo saying a program into 2 years. Is it here?
A program into 2 years, they say no, a draw any mupa. To say ya cry and answer ya friend and penny four or Mobecasa to say Bishop. A Dujan fee, ya why jitting will chrome her. Enti sa bishop no na ebe kasa enti amanfo nyina momra na metie bishop ano asem ya ode ma yen ene akirima ene yen afa ni ahase wo Kristo adwuma mu enti mo nyina momra fe ya kra ya fra anyumtofo a wo monso dooso obi ti say big the worshiper na obi ye boade won de wo tufo na wo san kan kransem enkran se ensem into one nonsense or baby. And now there were Willie and Mike and Sunsu baby. And now Eric Sunsu baby, Papa Eric Sunsu baby. Nampo dear son try to cry and say, D a friend said DJ Jim, the special presenter no your friend no G Fred no one nonsense baby. Enti sa nipa nyina ba nti do say mo frɛ adɔfo mabusuafo na mo nyina mo ba ama ye beye ade a ebeso onyankopon ani na honum ne ebe hu se onyankopon wo hwe nipa nim na odi na ye adwuma na adwuma no nso no ye
Okay, my people of Mami who say a second anniversary and a team there I will build my church. Ain't program no a fundraising so I'm also when they buan as say.
Me pacha a program ministry no is about ministry of solutions and ministry about salvation. Na ye we nyina na ye dia pagya otumfo nyankopon edin na ye be raise fan kakra so na ye de aboa asafo no ama etumpon ebra ye sunsun adwuma no na honamu de no so no ye boa ama bibia de akoso eno nti wutie mi a ye fra ofri achichiri benteye so obi amra na onyame adom ministry a onyame na madom so adanse dia akese na eba onyame na ministry so ama nipa bebre su na osu ayreho ne konana wona woni nkrata empache esore wona na fibroid doctors akacha won say on to me enwompo no onyame na madonna ministry so na basa so ama enomu kra ema etimi fa kwanya we so atonsa froso medofo how bia wonam amane bia wonam no yesu enwuma wo ye ne bre bia atwam ene bre so oda so ye etutumi kanabra enu nti na ene wote ye ni e wo Joe Baba TV onyame hira o sa wo hwe ye live nyame hira
na before I would address the to dwane mame ne na na obri eboa enyo ha nana
yes sir
program me who say 34 e wo so na sof mame ene sof papa o ma tu just o ma Africa na all the way I ba be program we ye ni musa wo de wo tu wo ye da wo shame crying and I can say there is something what different o mo ba hono ma a dear secret pa the woman with me can some can see na e ba so a be kire sansem wo hono ma wa sore hono ma na ese
ensem na me kan de nyankopon abasa eye awurade na de adom me man tena bere wa na asa akokora bi anchen pen eye awurade na de adom me na de me kan secret wo mu ne say eniema bebre wo me mu a omo ba ebeda di wo honom etimi sre wo bi ase onfa odo emebe odo mu na da no ba na be hu say apart from inspiration na me dey ba bonten no message say wo pa se wedding kunim ha achi won sam won ti ase say ya ba wa baso enusre di agora wo se ye dro obosun bia to me nye bi eye urade nsa wa maso no eye no ane ya nwanwejume eye mizoya nsa wa maso no eye no ane ya nwanwejume
powerful someone who me new voice intimate me bro that's all for move but so bet me the address no atudwa ana time a program no ebe start ebe shasi
I address no here 1137 Prospect Avenue between East 167 and Prospect. Now, yeah, here 4 o'clock until you better say by 4 o'clock. No, I did call 5 on there. 5 o'clock near here. When you say Ghana and I say any Bible for me time and no, I in such a way say 4 o'clock. 5 for there. One my horn modi and I just say when you baby now. And I'm saying. Obi to say G Fred and in na obri ye boa big the worshiper and Ericus William Mike and are you ready na Sabre Reverend Elizabeth and Sabre cry so there our minister Kofi Yesu akra ketua wasi so a say ne say nya sam ketua wonu ntino nipa wo ba hono no wa mentam a Munya baby enye dan entena
yemodi ni nso so prako because yabobodi na duru hanom a na ne minister Grace nso so eba ena minister Faustina enso eba minister Ohima Sewa eba Juliana Ejekum enso eba adane ampaye a ebedwa ena se ehono so a na ne ebaji bo
oba mitra ana wa mantam sunso a nipa ni bi adwuma no so hunu na ebe ye sunso a e say hunu say wo ba be hia obi ti say friend say obri ye boa enti say wo ba dia na wo say wo boa wo ho na wa fa pen na wa fa tape na just what man record niam ba bi enti sabre no sa na tie
baba
Yeah, Mr. CNN. CNN never say Mr. CNN. You say program we also here oh baby. At the end I will catch wonderful.
As you can see, the media mogul from New York City, Prophetess Lillian, is always in the house, y'all.
Amen.
Yeah, Baba same. Yeah, when she holds the mic. As I say, also.
Amen.
So remember, June 30th.
Amen.
3G will be representing live. Make sure I say best support too.
Amen.
Because she's blessed.
Amen.
Obena ho se nyame tumi woni mu.
Amen.
Ahobrase nko a. Na wonu se yesi obema okola ni mu oba na tenachi. Oba susu kola ni mu obema na tumi kase eta na chi. Eti nyame ne yeba pagya no. Prophet Lillian o invite mu nyina. That's what I'm going down.
Okay, so what say here? Enti eye nyame boa June 30th. Ye nyina ye be represented live. Our sorry them on. Oba so no invite you. For wadofo nyina bra. Onkwa member, don't be shy.
Yes, yeah. We met my friend Pastor Lillian and also Reverend Lillian. 917-558-7945. And also that line I bizarre and I'm saying for 4 friend into no. There are another line sent to her. And also 917-251-0994. Now friends so person who on Facebook nso a ukọ o say Owusu Resford ha anasa Resford o say Wusu anasa Adona Arms TV ubetima hu yen Adona Resurrection Ministries saa bia nyina no kwasiada anwumre bia no ubetima nya wo ho by 7 o'clock 8 o'clock 9 o'clock ni apon se bibia ye pepepa saa ne yakoya sorry enti no obia follow yen wa unsunsun obetimi aba no bra ne ensum nyame yen pagya nyame.
Subscribe to the channel Joba TV. Now the main man, the guru of media over New York and I say USA, we senior man here I to tell you Padasi Estate I hear them mame what I say I have mame or one to na so no to tell you and you I be do say you go school nyina no me vibe no nene ababe the 50th birthday there's a senior man remember no aka sa boni din ahwe akire ahwefo boss patona pome
yeah nyame ne hene
nene so look sharp
so wa o hia ye say mu amanyame
na me pacha wodi e de sen
Charles Nemo Intiamo Mensa. As you can see, Charles Nemo Intiamo Mensa, aka Mr. CNN. Many shows.
AKA Mr. CNN. Now you come Mr. CNN cry now. Mr. CNN on the way.
Well, Mr. CNN, first of all, you're Titino, you're London, and you're Titino, Kumasi Abontenso, Bompata, Quadas State, and I just don't go. You know back, you call London, you feel London, you're about US. Maybe you'll be up. When you meet a Chedi Bijuame, Muse, then capture Ghana for America. Let me phone internet so. When I'm start here and sana social media cry eba. And you know, Chadi and media mammy. It's answer me, yeah, I mean, some of the Pejana me. What you say? And you know, Mr. CNN now, or you'll be swap. What didn't want to Ama Ghana or promote to Ghana or America. Make sure I say, I brought for Ghana, Ebe Ghana. So that's what Mr. CNN is all about.
Now, I bet your 50th birthday. Once again, make us say happy birthday to you. I hear Team Joba.
Right.
Joba, the one kasa oba.
That's right.
Team Joba, I will show happy birthday.
Thank you.
Then I mean, shira. Now ideas now with the my dano. I mean, there's some fast on your day. As I and for my. Now then I will catch the abusia any out of 4 or by here.
They make a abusia for me. I said, I did be an infant as a man. It's answered, me, Fatamin said. Na yeah, they are one fanya me and dear anymore. Now one beside me yansa and no credia, uncle him. Maybe I was all Joe Yonko, I was all child there. I also make sure said that she overcan sempa, I found home, saying me be pejao. Now, yes, I'll be calling him. There be no Juniper home. Man, you will be down for. Always look at saying Yanko there. Only the ultimate. Be bia on the Bayama, and Tino, and then our margin.
And the word you will be much here out of 4 and will be our show.
Yeah, Michiamun now, what made a massive, a promentia so. Yeah, Baba, a party in Cofos E, Ubetima containing. Let me guys are going to but a promentia so. But in our Sidana Medema Yankopon. But the heavenly Jake,
I'm not decorate here. Mr. and Mrs. Igonko, I'm not sharing. Atadia, Michelle, and my wife. I really thank them so much. All the media phoning in Ameda Masi. The other can say, I said, I am coupon. Me and Kasa protege Godfrey. Watch him, okay? The next level. Watch him. Who don't know who the best. What you say?
I say subscribe to the channel. Now we have a Sani Faso Bankum Swan. You're the gurus in New York City. Over New York. Now I want to show more. Memo Mogasa, I introduce you Omo. Come on, Bombi Ire. Actually, boss. My patron Adin say.
Daniel, if you Ghana. Osekro. The boss in here.
Okay, boss Bachelor Sudin say.
Boss, your friend Kofi Ajen. From Kumasi, Accra, Tema, baby, Europe, Neha. We love you, Ghana, from New York. I love you all from New York.
All right, from New York. Boss Bachelor Sudin say.
Yeah, Media Casade, Aquasus. Media, my for the primary attorney. No funny friend there of South Isaac Group. Yeah, there's a boy, Bravo, New York. You know, your boss, and you're paying CNN. You know,
now talking about CNN and then the 50th birthday. At the end, I'm going to catch them Mr. CNN and then the 50th birthday.
CNN, I mean, start here. Why are they? I mean, Shirano. What him? It will be able to film by one film. A radiano. Uncle Sunoye, no more Ghana ni Bibia. Yeah, Ghana Yen Po. The CNN pen, no one yepe. Yamishano.
Yamishano, I didn't crash some now. I can't tell Mr. CNN.
Pastor Yamishano. Or Bogan baby. How could him? Amy.
But also,
yeah, the American say. Yeah, CNN. I am. Panubia. No, when it comes to New Yorkers, we are respecting them. Because Odonipa, like the place that we won 15 years ago, no, you always be actually say you'll be our body part. So okay, the problem. I don't know the answer is Arade, and now when you fear at your no, Arade, Antonio Canem. None of this one, the video of Oyabiano. I'm Rem, Nagana, young cook.
Okay. Oh, I don't know where Ochomo.
Oh, the champion, I'm offering for my neck and the Packaberry. Michel Selina, oh, Massey, Amen.
But also, I don't know Ochomo.
Michel Ghana, North, South, West, and East. I said Obia. I love Ghana. That's my Michel Obia.
Ochomo, I'm about to answer.
Anybody ever got a car? I never change. Because the family does song. So, me free. I just so kappa, and me pass free of this one hinko. And tell me chairman abusa for you I officer hinko. And I go kappa so hard. Me just me chairman me about just say why. Abusa for you and I me Reginald. Nana ma Joe. I say ko Joe. Me man home Dawson. I'm also let me tell me now for you I can't Kumasi. Michel Bia, I am Tony Nakasano. Tony Montana.
Boko, you're from me, Papa B. Kunyanka from High Life Radio.
I'm on for so hard. Is it controversial? You're just some get one. Now,
mechanical great here.
Mechanical great here. Now, sign I will see him, Mr. CNN.
Meaning Mr. CNN since I'll say like 2002. Beba Chrome Hafez was one of the first photographers at Mission. At that time, not a photographer. Now, picnic, New York picnic, he was the main person. And then later on, media, and after the
media, and I'm
yes.
Now, and then the 50th birthday, a dear pa, some now catching them.
Yameka Chen say, or your visionary, or vision, and say no, on focus on the vision. He's doing better every year. The program, the 3G Awards now, every year. No, but who say it gets better every year? And so the man encouraging his own now I see bigger things ahead of him. It's Uncle
Sunya, oh, I don't for a be able
High Life Radio, I shall phone you now, and I don't phone you now. One more supporting. ɛne Ghanafoɔ nyinaa mohwɛ wɔ TV so sesi a yɛkyia mu na yɛsrɛ sɛ Nyankopɔn mmoa mu na biribi ankɔ yie mu.
Boss na pome.
Nyame adom.
Me bacha na wudi yare say.
MC Papalen.
MC Papalen. Na obi kura abeka say wate Papalen ka ate. Ya ka MC Papalen ka krampa ono hwan.
MC Papalen ke obi a onyi wɔ New York a ɔyɛ entertainment business a ɔhost most of the programs in the Ghanaian community across North America.
Across North America. Na mami Musa say na usini Mr. CNN.
Say na me see here.
Say na usini Mr. CNN.
Oh, Mr. CNN there. Ofikwewu me so me fikwewu nkwetia ofi obo me. Ba me ne share the year 2000. Na me host to Adoring B. No, 1999, sorry. Na me host to Adoring B wa Gambia House. Ano ba ho, ano ba introduce no ho kire me say. Oya cameraman enti memwa no. Enti hono ana me gi microphone. Eye dede kakra say Ghana ni a was started to pictures na they are the enti no. The pictures so ya come. Enti hono we became friends and then we became brothers.
Okay, now we be your friends by your brother. And then the 50th birthday. Edian Crunch some now back catch Mr. CNN.
Well, like I always tell him, he should keep his focus. Man and Losu in the track. If Kobabaki can some Amana Alusu in the track, but he should be more focused. He has long life. There'll be more good ways to come. There'll be more opportunity to come for him. It's a man and Papa.
Man and Papa, who are the four and then phobia person Chiamo.
Oh, Michia, media, me bought about Kodinama Mobi and my from so. It's a Micha Opia, New York.